Unlock the secret to radiant skin and a vibrant wellness journey starting today. In fitness and wellness, the right supplement can transform your skin and confidence. Introducing Revitag, a groundbreaking product designed to enhance your skin's health from within. Imagine a smooth, radiant complexion that reflects your inner vitality and well-being. Revitag supports collagen health, promoting an even skin tone while diminishing unwelcome skin tags. This serum blends natural ingredients that help address skin imperfections at their root. Whether you're a fitness novice or a seasoned athlete, Revitag enriches your regimen beautifully. With daily use, Revitag empowers your confidence as you nourish your skin and body. But what exactly is Revitag, and how does it work wonders on your skin? Revitag is an advanced topical serum that targets imperfections like uneven texture and skin tags. Collagen is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity, and Revitag supports its rejuvenation effectively. Diminished collagen can lead to various skin concerns, but Revitag restores those tangled fibers. And it's not just a cream. It's a holistic investment in your skin's natural beauty. The proprietary blend promotes collagen production and enhances moisture for ultimate hydration. Users report visible improvements after regular use, restoring skin health on a cellular level. This serum targets existing skin tags while preventing new ones, ensuring long-lasting benefits. Expect to see smoother, healthier skin that promotes self-assurance in every aspect of life. All begins with a holistic approach. Balance your diet, exercise, and hydrate well for optimal results. Colloidal oatmeal, a key ingredient, soothes irritated skin while providing crucial moisture. Sea buckthorn oil brings hydration and elasticity, enriched with vitamin C to support collagen. Epicatechin, a powerful antioxidant, promotes circulation and fosters healthy skin cell regeneration. Carrot seed oil, rich in vitamins A and E, revitalizes and refreshes damaged skin for a youthful glow. Revitag champions healthy, tag-free skin, making you feel vibrant and confident. Rejuvenate your skin through improved hydration and elasticity with Revitag's nourishing ingredients. Revitag supports your collagen production, crucial for maintaining youthful skin amidst aging. Packed with antioxidants, Revitag protects against oxidative stress and environmental damage. Experience the peace of mind with Revitag's natural formula that emphasizes skin wellness. What about pricing? You have options to maximize your investment in skin health. Choose from a 30-day supply for $69 or commit to 3 bottles for only $59 each. The best value is a 6-bottle package for $49 each, complete with free shipping. Your confidence can flourish with a trustworthy product that's backed by a money-back guarantee. Revitag is more than just a serum. It's your partner in the journey towards beautiful skin.